Are you ready to enhance your career with SAP? Are you working in purchase, procurement, logistics, or warehouse departments? Are you looking to upgrade your career in IT? With SAP Materials Management, you can enhance your career in IT industry. SAP MM is a powerful module that helps businesses efficiently manage materials, procurement, inventory, and vendors. Whether you are new to SAP or looking to sharpen your skills, this training will equip you with the knowledge you need to excel in SAP Ecosystem. Our hands-on training uses real-world scenarios, helping you Plus, you'll be prepared for SAP certification. Join our SAP MM training today and unlock your potential in one of the most in-demand skills in the business world. This course equips learners with the skills for configuring end-to-end SAP S4HANA MM processes and conducting essential end-user activities. With thorough hands-on training, you will master P2P, Procure to Pay Cycle Process Configuration, integration with FI/SD, configure and implement SAP S4HANA MM business process, inventory management, GRs, stock transfer, goods issues, material, analyzing and reporting. Be able to take S4HANA sourcing and procurement global certification exam. Upon completion of this SAP S4HANA MM training, participants will master the ability to comprehend, analyze, document, configure, customize, test, and implement the entire spectrum of business processes in SAP S4HANA MM. Don't wait. Join our SAP MM training today and unlock new career opportunities.